Ooh, I don't know which way to go. No, I guess we'll go forward.
We want to eventually get
That's gonna
over to the next ridge,
yeah,
right?
it's just I'm not. Somehow I've.
So when you say ridge, what exactly are you
Well,
pointing at?
From here you can't see it.
Oh,
Like
Like-
when we get out of here, I'll show
Yeah.
you what I'm talking about. Even though I'm not quite sure where here is.
yeah. No, I mean, what makes like a hill a ridge? Huh?
What did we do across the top of the hill?
Yeah.
I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's fine.
We've been here before.
I don't remember this rock. Okay, well.
Like what makes a ridge?
Okay, that is the first ridge.
The middle
No,
one.
no. See where the rocky crop is going
Yeah.
up? That's a ridge. That's
Okay.
the ridge that goes up all the way to the path
Yeah.
by the water tower.
Okay.
Circle around that, and you have the valley in between, and then you have the second ridge on the other side,
Okay.
which is the other hill line.
All right. So you're saying this is the first ridge
That's
when you
the
say
first
first
ridge.
ridge. Second ridge is the one behind.
With the big rocky path that goes down.
Yeah.
That's the second ridge.
Oh, okay.
So the trail that we're going to go on eventually puts us beyond the second ridge.
Oh, okay. So that's how you identify a ridge.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, we can go this way. It's going to get us out here. I'm having some kind of moment.
It's a
If I
rocky
take
day.
my clothes off and start howling, just let me go.
Watch all the birds fly away.
Here, let's get a picture by the weird rock there is.
Right here?
Yeah, from this angle it looks less like a ball sack, so that's good. From the front, not so good. It's like the companion piece of the boot.
Hey, you want us to take a picture of you and your...
That's fine. I got plenty of pictures of me.
Well, I got plenty of pictures of you.
Oh, I know you do.
Yeah.
So we go down here and take that road to the right
Yeah, we're
then?
going to the signs.
Yeah.
Like I said, that's just I don't know why we don't end up. Well, because we don't normally come up down.
Yeah.
That could be the insomnia.
Still can't believe these kids or guys drive their bikes down this road.
Oh,
Oh, I know. Well,
You see where their chain gear thing hits the rock.
it's, yeah. I can't say much because when I was younger, I did the same thing though. Except instead of rocks, we had trees. A lot of trees.
Yeah.
So once in a while when you riding out, you'll hit a root and flip your bike over.
Oh, wow.
When you're a kid, you could dust it off.
Yeah.
I fall now, it's like, oh,
It takes 6 months.
I'm going home, man.
He's limping for 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a skiing injury. This is back when I was in my 20s. And I literally was limping for about 3 months.
Yeah.
I must have pulled a ligament or tendon or something.
Yeah.
It did not heal for months and months and months.
See, I remember the worst spill I ever took was I was going down the hill and like a branch flew off and went between my spokes on my front wheel and I fell.
Right.
And when we went to go pick up my bike, you could see this branch right through my spoke and broke off like 3 or 4 of them.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
But I remember getting up and we're all just laughing at it.
Yep.
I was like, oh. I kind of wish, like, damn, I wish someone had a phone, or, well, there was no phone back then, but recorded it.
Never.
I think that was the biggest wipeout I ever took.
I'm so glad that technology did not exist.
Oh, yeah. Especially in my,
Would have radically altered my behavior patterns. And that.
Yeah.
oh, especially in my first deployment. Oh, my God. The shit I saw, I was like, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can't unsee it.
Well, you got to remember, I grew up innocent in a small town of Alaska.
Okay.
And then you throw me in the Navy, send me on deployment, and throw me in Thailand.
Yep. Oh, God.
And the shit I seen come out of a...
No.
Yep.
I was like, it does that?
Yes.
I didn't know you could blow darts out of that shit.
Oh, Lord. Yep.
Actually, we'll go down and not going down. We're going to start the hill, not go over.
Okay.
When's your next gig?
We don't have anything lined up, which I'm glad because of my stupid arm. That's how I heard it in the first place, was I was practicing too often in preparation for the shows that were coming up.
Yeah.
And we still had to practice through it because we had shows coming up.
Oh, yeah.
And I was doing my weight training as well. And I got this stuff. Like I said, I can still do most things, but I can't do everything. So, you'll probably just tell me, well, it's going to take some time. Thank you, God. Thank you for that. So,
Yeah.
really, that,
Thanks for the
I figured
$50
that out
copay.
already. So I'm getting $20 so you could tell me something that
Already knew.
I found for free on the internet. They have different, different exercises you do when I've been doing them.
Oh.
It's just like, it's just things to stretch out the tendon, because it's a tendon.
Oh, okay, right.
I know what it is, I know why it is. I just want to know if there's a better way to make it better or faster.
Yeah, right.
Can I get a shot? I'm willing to get the shot, whatever the shot is. I didn't like shots.
Drink that green stuff that Tom Brady drinks.
Oh yeah.
But it's, like with my daughter, it actually is impacting my ability to do what I need to do.
Oh, gee,
Because I got to pick her up. I'm the only one in my house and my son lives on it. My wife can't pick her up.
Okay.
If you have to pick her up, I'm the one that does it. Right now, I still can do it, but I know I'm extending the injury when I have to do so.
Yeah. Is there any sort of respite?
Yeah, but once a week doesn't do it. I mean, she comes and that's fine. Basically, it's just no big deal. It's going to be a big deal when we go to Colorado because she's going to have to do all the things. Right now, she comes for 3 or 4 hour blocks twice a week, which is fine. Gives us time to get out and do whatever. Which, when my son isn't here, is a lot more helpful. When he's here, we can mostly do that stuff anyway.